Hello students, in the earlier module we have seen the numericals based on linear by quadratic, then we saw the entrance shortcuts for the same, and let us use these entrance shortcuts in this particular module. Let's take the very first question here. It says integral of 2x plus 1 upon 8 minus 6x minus 9x square dx is equal to what? Now my dear students, the question doesn't end there. You have 4 options following it, so please be sure that you go through the options before you start solving. Now my dear students, when I see the options here, every option has the first part as 1 by 54 log of 4 plus 3x upon 2 minus 3x. So it's very clear that the answer should contain this part because all the 4 options have the same. So I will not pay attention to this part of the answer. Let me just forget it for some time. Now the other part of the answer which is there in front of me is also very easy for me because I observe that none of the values before the log term are same. So I just need to understand whether in my calculations I'll get 1 by 9 or minus 1 by 9 or 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So let's begin our calculation. Now to begin our calculation, we need to find the values of P, Q, A, B and C. So let us see the shortcut here for you. The shortcut says the answer will be of the type P by 2A log of quadratic, and that is what we want to ascertain. So what is the value of P here? The value of P here is 2, that of Q is 1, that of A is minus 9 and that of B is minus 6. So we know the values of P, Q, A and B. So let us start solving. The answer should have P by 2A. So P by 2A means we will have here 2 into or 2 upon 2 into minus 9 followed with log of 8 minus 6x minus 9x square. Now you very well understand students here, 2 and 2 will cancel to give me minus 1 by 9, and this is what I have to finalize, whether it will be minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So if you go back to the options my dear students, you understand minus 1 by 9 is seen only in one option, option B. So I can say my correct answer is option B. That's a very simple sum. Let's take one more tricky example. It says integral 2 minus x upon 4x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to how much? Now my dear students here, the answer required is in the form of some P by A log of quadratic plus some another terms. So we have to use the method of linear upon quadratic. Let us see the calculations. Now my dear students here, I'll have to first calculate P by 2A, that is the shortcut which we know. Now P by 2A is how much in this case my dear students? So let us first write the value of P. P in this case is minus 1, then Q is 2, and for A the value is 4, likewise for B also the value is 4. So how much is P by 2A? For me P by 2A is minus of 1 upon 2 into 4, that's minus 1 by 8 followed with log of the quadratic which is log of 4x square plus 4x minus 3. So minus 1 by 8. Let's go back to the options. Minus 1 by 8 is not seen in option A and option C. So option A and C are not my answers. Are we very clear on that? Probably option B or D is the answer. Now let us go further. Let us see the calculation for the next part, that is Q minus PB upon 2A. So let us substitute the values. Q is 2 minus of minus 1 upon into 4 upon 2 into 4 followed with I1, that is the integral which we have to solve. Now my dear students, 4 and 4 will cancel out, so we can say we are left with 2 minus of minus half, that is 5 by 2 into I1. Now let us see what is I1 equal to. This is I1, correct? 1 upon 4x square plus 4x minus 3. Now we have to actually solve. This sum is not possible to be solved by eliminating the options completely. Now let us see here. The first step is take 4 common. So 1 by 4 integral of 1 upon x square plus x plus minus 3 by 4, and we add subtract 1 by 4 to make it a perfect square. Now my dear students, the first 3 terms can be written directly as x plus 1 by 2 the whole square. And if you see, minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but minus 1. So can I write minus of 1 the whole square? Is that okay my dear students? Now let us bring the formula. 1 upon x square minus a square starts with 1 by 2a. So we will have 1 by 4 as it is, which was already outside the integral. A in this case is 1. So can I say into 1 upon 2 into 1? Correct? And now if you observe, my dear students, this part here which is seen, both of them have same terms. So can I write it directly, log of 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3? Now my dear students, this is I1. Now what was our answer? The answer was minus 1 by log of quadratic plus 5 by 2 I1. We have I1, now we have to multiply 5 by 2 that I1. So now 5 by 2 I1 will be how much? It will be 5 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into log of so and so. Now if I multiply the numbers in the denominator, I get 16. So can I say option D is not the answer now, because it has 5 by 32, wherein I am having 5 by 16. So we have successfully eliminated 3 options. So can I say now option B again is my correct answer. That's all we have in this module. Thank you very much.